Hi everybody and welcome. In today's video I have the LG XBOOM 360 XO3 speaker and I'm going to tell you how you can easily charge this speaker. We have two ways of doing so. The first way is using a power adapter with a cable that fits into our power adapter and our speaker. As you can see here, I do have the USB Type-C cable, and we just have to find the charging port, which is located at the back of our speaker, exactly here, and we just have to plug this USB Type-C cable into our speaker charging port. Here, in the moment, I have to just find the charging port. And now we have to just plug it. Now the cable is plugged, and as you can see, our speaker is now charging. This is the first way. The second way is, for me, the most useless way, but we can charge our speaker using our phone. To do so, we have a phone. We have to prepare our for us a phone that supports the reverse charging. For me, it's Realme, and we have to plug the cable that fits into our phone and has the USB Type-C ending. And the same thing, we have to plug the cable into our speaker, and now as you can see, our speaker is being charged. That's it, hope it helps you and have a nice day.